everybody's saying that bodies are washing up on the on shore, and they're deportees, the people who were supposed to be deported, but they washing up on the beach.
Immigrants are being put on cargo planes and bodies are washing up on shore shackled together.
Just in case you don't know what's going on, a girl on TikTok came on here and said that one of her neighbors received a government contract asking them to install a bunch of incinerators at Alligator Alcatraz. They're installing incinerators at Alligator Alcatraz.
There are no good reasons to deport people in shackles on cargo planes. That's the bottom line here.
Multiple bodies found in sea with hands and feet tied in the Mediterranean Sea. Authorities are now searching and investigating, discovering multiple bodies in the Mediterranean Sea. Police noted that the hands and feet of the bodies have been tied, which indicates that there may have been some sort of struggle.
Guys, how did we reach here? This is the most shocking news I have heard this year. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Natkuna Esther. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And before I shock you, I just want to say I appreciate all of you, my new followers, my old followers. I love you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. And now, we've recently been talking about Black people not supporting Mexicans, Hispanics, because Black people were saying, yo, we tried to help you and you decided to betray us. But not even Black people would have thought that it would become so bad that people are being thrown in the ocean. Ice is throwing people in the ocean. So apparently immigrants' bodies are literally being washed out of the ocean to the sea, and they are in shackles tied both hands and legs. And people that live around the oceans are coming out to say, we have been seeing some American flights. What?
I'm just going to say what we're all thinking. I believe that the shackled up bodies that are being found offshore off of the Mediterranean are the same bodies of the detainees that were being taken by ICE and the United States governments. I believe that these people were taken by ICE and the United States government, put in planes, shackled up, and then thrown off into the ocean.
Police noted that the hands and feet of the bodies have been tied, which indicates that there may have been some sort of struggle. So far, they found 31 bodies. 31! The UN's International Organization for Migration reported that 8,542 migrants died in 2023, and 37% of those deaths were in the Mediterranean. Something's not adding up. Are they flying over the sea and dropping migrants into the water, shackled up? Because if they are, a whole lot of people gonna be tight.
You know how there were rumors that they were throwing people out of cargo planes and it didn't make sense to transport that many people with cargo planes because it cost way much more money anyway? People have been washing up on shores, still shackled together, deceased. This is no longer a rumor. This is what is happening. This is what us going to work every day is funding with our tax dollars, more importantly. This is why I have been begging people to do a general strike. Because this is the inevitable conclusion of us continuing to go to work without question. This is the inevitable conclusion of us continuing to go to work without question. Now, I'm not saying shut down all of the hospitals or the post office. What I'm saying is we need to identify who is directly contributing to this labor and stop it. That's the peaceful method. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Videos about how the immigrants are being put on these cargo planes that basically are able to open in the back. And these planes are making weird flight patterns, basically going to the middle of the ocean and then U-turning and coming right back, allegedly. And people are saying, like, this has happened before in the Argentina war, where basically people were pushed out of the cargo planes. And, like, that was the act of war that they were doing. And, like, they don't know, like, if this is for sure. But I really hope that's not it. Because that's beyond, like, a war crime. Like, that's on a next level. It's some other shit. Because I cannot actually fathom people being pushed out of a cargo plane while it is flying over the ocean, and then bodies washing up shackled together onto the shore of random places. Like, I'm not putting it past the people in power, but my mind cannot fathom that, because that is actually so insane. And like, I just can't even imagine actually falling from a cargo plane into the ocean from that high up. Like, I just really hope that that's not the case, but it is looking a little suspicious. And the flight patterns aren't really making sense, and it's looking a little weird.
More and more shackled bodies are being found washing up on the shores. Somebody's got to do something about this.
Then you're flying the cargo plane into the middle of the ocean, right? And then all of a sudden, the cargo plane back door opens up, knowing y'all got illegals chained up, and then you guys are throwing these people out in midair. So that's why I'm here right now. That these people are being taken up in the air across the ocean and being tossed out of the back of the plane into the ocean. And the reason why I'm saying that, because I'm seeing videos trending on the TikToks that they found 30 bodies, 65 bodies washed up on shore in Spain. They had shackles, their arms were shackled, everything was shackled. But these are the same people that was boarding the damn cargo planes. Y'all cannot tell me that the people that were escorting these people onto the cargo planes in America, you can't tell me that those people feel some type of way about these types of people because of the color of their skin. They would literally throw them out from the back of the plane into the ocean. That's what they're doing right now. They haven't confirmed it yet, because of course American news is not going to report on this shit, because they don't care about that shit. It's not important to them. When you look at the facts and you know that your potential loved ones are being lured onto these cargo planes, these military aircrafts, that knowing that the back doors of these cargo planes opens up in mid-air, and all you can imagine that one of your loved ones being tossed from the back of the plane out into the ocean, potentially dying and potentially being eaten by the sharks. No human, does not matter the color of their skin or what type of crime that they did, no human deserves to be tossed out in mid-air and mid-flight, 20,000 feet in the air, into the ocean waters. That is some fucked up shit, and that's some evil, demonic shit. If this is true, the people that's watching this video, y'all know what to do, bro.
Several bodies have been found shackled, both hands and feet, just off the coast of Mallorca in Spain, and nobody's talking about this. A major investigation has just been launched after at least 5 bodies have been recovered, and the beaches are now being referred to as a graveyard. It's being said that the bodies are believed to be migrants who attempted to cross into Spain through Algeria. It's looking like these individuals could have been confronted, handcuffed, shackled up, thrown back into the sea to drown. A private vessel made the alert when they spotted a body off the coast of Formentera. These 5 bodies that have been found are being treated and investigated as very violent deaths. In the last 6 months alone, over 30 bodies have been found around the Balearic beaches, including Ibiza. You let me know what you think about this, who these people could be and what happened to them. This is just so beyond scary to imagine.
Just in case you don't know what's going on, a girl on TikTok came on here and said that one of her neighbors received a government contract asking them to install a bunch of incinerators at Alligator Alcatraz. They're installing incinerators at Alligator Alcatraz. Alligator Alcatraz is on indigenous land. It's like protected land. 2, there are migrants. There's people being washed ashore with shackles on. People are finding people on beaches wearing shackles. This is the level that we're at. There's another girl on TikTok who is tracking flights, government flights, or like leaving detention centers, and they are just going out into the ocean and then turning around. Just going out and turning around. The flights are not making it to their destinations 2 + 2 does not equal 4. You understand what's going on right now. There's another guy on TikTok who said that he got pulled over by the cops. He's an American citizen. He just happened to have a Spanish last name. And they went and they looked through his information. They were like, we can't find you in any system. He's like, well, he had like several IDs because he lived in a couple of different states. He was like, well, I have this ID. I have my motorcycle ID. I have this. And then the cops were like, oh, you can thank your friends at ISIS. So they're taking people, American citizens. He's white, by the way. He just had a Spanish last name. They're taking people who have American nationals who have Spanish last names, removing them from databases so that when they get pulled over by cops and people like that, they go, oh, you're not on this